Imagine a vegan stuffing so deeply, savory and rich that it becomes the star of your plant-based holiday table. Sage and onions, when caramelized and combined, bring a gourmet depth you'd expect only from traditional stuffing. Start with a generous knob of vegan butter or olive oil, melting in a heavy skillet, then add finely chopped onions. As the onions soften and caramelize to a golden brown sweetness, their flavor becomes complex and irresistible. Next, gently fold and minced fresh sage leaves. The sage's earthy, piney aroma infuses into the onions, releasing herbal oils that create layers of flavor. This cornerstone combination and sage is what transforms simple breadcrumbs into a dish with serious presence. Stir constantly to avoid burning, allowing the sage to crisp slightly and mingle with the sweet onion, creating that unmistakable aroma that signals something magical is happening. Once the aromatics are ready, transfer them to a mixing bowl and add cubed day-old bread, ideally sourdough or your favorite artisan loaf. The bread soaks up all that sage onion goodness. Pour in warm vegetable broth slowly, stirring to combine. You want moist but not soggy. Season with sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, maybe a pinch of nutritional yeast for a umami boost, and a dash of garlic powder. If you like a touch of brightness, a little lemon zest works wonders. This plant-based stuffing is flexible. Stir in chopped celery for crunch, or walnuts for texture and richness. For added herbs, parsley or thyme complement sage beautifully. Want even more depth? A handful of cranberries or dried apricots add sweet tart contrast. For a crisp top, bake in a preheated oven until the surface is golden and slightly crunchy, while the interior stays soft and luscious. As you scoop the stuffing out warm and steamy, you'll taste the perfect balance of sweet onions and herbal sage, backed by savory broth and seasoning. The aroma will fill your kitchen and signal to everyone that the vegan option is just as indulgent and satisfying. This dish shows that plant-based cooking can be bold, flavorful, and deeply layered, all courtesy of the simple pairing of onions and sage. Whether you're serving holiday guests, hosting a vegan dinner, or just craving comfort food that delivers on depth and satisfaction, this stuffing holds its own. It pairs beautifully with roasted vegetables, tofu, turkey alternatives, or a hearty lentil loaf. Best of all, it's easily customizable. Add nuts, fruit, vegan sausage crumbles, or more herbs, and you've got your signature festive side. In summary, caramelized onions plus fresh sage are the flavor power couple that brings vegan stuffing to the next level. They deliver aroma, sweetness, herbaceous depth, and comfort in every forkful. Gluten-free, swap in GF bread, nut-free, skip the walnuts. Every version tastes vibrant and feels nourishing. So the next time you want a plant-based stuffing that wows, remember, start with onions, add sage and let flavor lead the way.